Hey, have you ever seen an arrow flip without touching it? Seems strange, right? But actually, it's just a pure and simple science trick. This is because when light travels from one medium to another, say air to water, it bends, causing the image of the arrow to appear inverted. This phenomenon is known as refraction. You can see a practical application of refraction when you look at an object or shape in a swimming pool through water. Try it out. Let me explain refraction more clearly. Have you ever noticed how a straw appears bent in a glass of water? Why does it bend? Take a laser pointer and shine the laser in the glass of water. Look at that! Light bends as soon as it hits the water. It's no longer traveling in a straight line. But why does this happen? This is because as light moves from one medium to another, it changes speed, causing it to bend and change direction. This is refraction at work. So far, we have seen how light bends when it moves from air to water. Here, air is less dense than water. But what if we try it the other way around? Shine a laser through a glass slab. Watch closely as when it enters, it bends towards the normal. But watch again. When it exits the glass, it bends away from the normal. Why does this happen? This is because when light moves from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it speeds up. This change in speed causes the light to bend away from the normal. This is the opposite of what happens when the light enters the glass from the air. Does light bend the same way in every medium? Let's see. Shine a laser light through water and oil. The light bends slightly towards the normal in water, but in oil, it bends even more. Why do you think there is a difference? This is because water and oil have different refractive indexes. The index of refraction of a material is a measure of how fast light travels in a material. The higher the refractive index, the more bending towards the normal. The refractive index of water is around 1.33, and for oil, it's 1.47. That's why light bends more in oil. Let's try out a cool trick to understand the refractive index of different materials. Take two other smaller beakers and put it inside the larger beakers. Fill one with vegetable oil and the other with water, allowing it to overflow till the large beaker is filled as well. Did you notice that the small beaker disappeared? Strange, right? But how and why? Figure it out. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos simplifying physics.